Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking compatibility. Make sure your Chromebook supports Linux Crostini and is updated. Once done, enable Linux Beta in Settings under Developers. This gives you a container to run Linux apps. You may need developer options for advanced installs, so back up important files before proceeding. Next, open the Linux terminal and update packages with apt. This ensures smooth installs later. These steps prepare the system so you can install Windows compatibility layers and the Microsoft Store properly. Now you install the translation layer. Use the terminal to update apt, then add required tools like wget and gdebi. These let you fetch and install packages. Once done, add the Wine repository and install Wine Staging or Wine HQ so Windows installers can run. After Wine is installed, run Winatrix to create a fresh 64-bit prefix and install dependencies like .NET and vcrun that the Microsoft Store needs. Make sure to follow prompts and accept any certificates so Wine is properly configured. Finally, install the Microsoft Store using the compatible installer or via a Windows installer inside Wine. Run it from your configured 64-bit prefix. You should launch the store, sign in, and enable any Windows services Wine emulates. If the store won't start, check terminal logs and Wine's prefixes for missing components, rerun Winatrix to add dependencies, or adjust DLL overrides. If problems persist, consider using a full Linux VM with a Windows image for better compatibility. This troubleshooting tip usually resolves most hangs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.